Are you ready to do some dishes? Can you pull out the bottom?
Involve your child in cleaning up by giving them jobs they can do on their
Look at
own.
those dirty, dirty dishes.
Ask your child questions about where things go and help them understand why.
Spoon.
Where do you think that goes? I've got some more spoons.
You go over here.
Trying to fit everything into the dishwasher can be a challenge. You don't have to solve the problem for your child. Instead, you can involve them in finding a solution.
Let's do this.
I like it. All right.
And now, it's close now.
It does close now.
Vroom, make any moment a brain building moment.